Is your Xvid apps broken by the Xvidvfw library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Before diving into the manual fix for Xvidvfw library, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the Xvidvfw library, the Xvid Video for Windows VSW codec module. It manages the localized encoding and decoding of MPEG-4 Part 2 video streams within localized AVI containers, mandatory for legacy localized video editing software to recognize Xvid-compressed assets. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. A missing Xvidvfw library DLL usually suggests that a failed update removed a critical piece of the Xvid integration, so reinstalling the latest version of your software, where the error was shown, will automatically restore the library and update the registry links. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Xvidvfw library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Because the initial reinstall failed, you must verify the structural integrity of your software, and you should run the repair option within the application setup menu. This forces the system to compare your local DLL file against the official version and replace any data that is found to be truncated or damaged. Why are we doing this? Well, files inside application directories can become corrupted during a failed update, and integrity checks are designed to specifically target and fix these silent file errors. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Xvidvfw library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. One approach to reviewing Xvidvfw library references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. If Xvidvfw library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.